If you're considering FastestVPN, there are a few things you need to know before making a purchase, especially when compared to its competitors. Let's dive into the key points that could help you decide if this VPN is right for you. First up, it markets itself as the fastest VPN out there, but how does it compare to other options like ExpressVPN or NordVPN? While FastestVPN does offer decent speeds, it doesn't always match up to the high performance standards of its premium competitors. You'll get good speeds for basic browsing and streaming, but for things like gaming or large file downloads, other providers might offer a more stable and fast connection. Next thing, it's all about security features. FastestVPN offers solid encryption with AES 256 and supports protocols like IKEv2, OpenVPN, and WireGuard, which are known for their reliability. However, it doesn't offer the same range of advanced features like split tunneling, dedicated IPs, or an automatic kill switch across all apps, which other leading VPNs provide, especially in their more expensive plans. The third thing to consider is its device compatibility. FastestVPN works across a variety of devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS, and even has apps for routers. However, it doesn't have quite as many options for things like smart TVs or gaming consoles compared to competitors like CyberGhost or Surfshark. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. FastestVPN offers one of the most affordable plans available, which makes it appealing for users on a budget. Its long-term plans, especially the 3-year deal, are competitively priced. But remember, with lower prices, sometimes come fewer premium features and limited customer support, which can be a deal breaker for some users. The fifth thing, privacy policies. FastestVPN is based in the privacy-friendly jurisdiction of the Cayman Islands, which is good for users concerned about government surveillance. However, while it claims a no-logs policy, it's always worth reading the fine print. Competitors like ProtonVPN, which are also known for their robust privacy policies, are a safer bet for users seeking a VPN with a proven, transparent track record. The sixth thing is performance with streaming. FastestVPN unblocks Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer in most cases. But with its slightly slower speeds compared to competitors, you might experience occasional buffering on higher quality streams, especially on HD or 4K content. If streaming is your primary concern, services like ExpressVPN might give you a smoother experience. Next, customer support. FastestVPN offers 24/7 support through live chat and email, which is great. However, response times can be slower compared to larger VPN providers, so if you're looking for immediate help, you might want to consider alternatives like NordVPN, which has a quicker, more reliable support team. The eighth thing to note is server network. FastestVPN has a growing network of servers in over 30 countries, which is solid, but smaller compared to bigger players in the market like NordVPN or Surfshark, which boasts thousands of servers across more than 90 countries. A larger server network means more options for accessing geo-restricted content and faster connections. Next, consider the ease of use. FastestVPN's interface is clean and user-friendly, which makes it easy for beginners. But if you're after more customization and granular control over your VPN settings, services like PIA or CyberGhost might be a better fit. The 10th thing is its support for torrenting. FastestVPN allows torrenting on many of its servers, but it doesn't specialize in P2P traffic, so speeds can sometimes be inconsistent. If torrenting is a priority, you might want to check out ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, which are known for being more torrent-friendly. The 11th thing is the lack of a free trial. Unlike some competitors, FastestVPN doesn't offer a free trial, which might be a downside if you're looking to test the service before committing. However, it does offer a 15-day money-back guarantee, which is a nice backup. Finally, it's important to weigh the value. FastestVPN is certainly a good option for users looking for a budget-friendly VPN with solid security, decent speed, and a reliable no-logs policy. However, if you're looking for a more premium experience with top-tier speeds, more features, and better customer support, you might want to consider our recommended solution, which offers a free trial so you can experience its full capabilities